Have you ever wondered how to make a quilt hanging rod pocket for a quilt show? Well, wonder no more. This is my finished rod pocket pinned to the front of my quilt. Cut out a piece of fabric that is the length of your quilt by 9 inches wide. And fold up the short ends 1/4 inch and then 1/4 inch again. Press and stitch those edges down to the wrong side. Now press in half lengthwise, wrong sides together, then again in quarters, lining up with that middle fold line. Keeping the wrong sides together, sew that long edge together using a 1/4 inch seam. Now your rod pocket is done. You just have to sew it to the back of your quilt with the bubble facing out. This gives room for the rod to hang on the back of your quilt without bulging out on the front of your quilt.